Greg, Joshua is saying he's planning on selling his home in a couple of months, got a lot of junk, and he feels overwhelmed. Where does he start decluttering? What would you suggest to him? Give us one idea. Where would you start?
It depends on how bad. I mean, the more you can declutter, the better. Um, there's a psychology that you want going into your home, that you maintain the home and that it's in good condition. And the more clutter and the more mess you have, the psychology plays that that's not the case. So you want to do your best to clean. If you need a junk removal company, you should start there. If you simply need to get a storage unit and move some things over, you can go there. If you list with us, we've got our truck. You can do things like that. But declutter as much as you can and just keep it clean.
Yeah,
But
we got we have
junk removal first. We've got people we can send you to, but yeah, it
yep.
depends on how messy.
And we do have a moving truck for our clients. It's a 14-footer automatic transmission. It's free. Just fill it up with gas if you want. And if you're looking for some places to help you remove the junk, call me. I'll give you some names, 3765483. Also, I would tell you to start at one room at a time. Just tackle one room at a time. Start now. Don't wait until a week before you're thinking of buying a house, so you'll feel a lot better about it.